This tutorial will walk you through how to use the Kanban features within TACTIC. We've put together a use case to demonstrate how you can visualize task statuses in the Kanban format alongside a predefined TACTIC workflow. If you'd like to test this particular tutorial yourself and follow along at your own pace, please contact us through our website for your own testing environment. All the information you'll need to get started is also provided in the description. In this example, we are using a workflow that a machine part manufacturing company might use. This TACTIC workflow consists of 8 task types, such as gather requirements, create 3D design, and review prototype part, for example. There are also 3 approval nodes, which can be identified by these diamond shapes here. These nodes give the ability to push back a task to the original user for revision and resubmission. To start, navigate to the Jobs tab located in the top left grid icon. A list view will appear. Click the link under Job Code. A job detail page will appear. This contains information about the job such as timelines, users, and task statuses. This view is used by the project manager to manage schedules, deadlines, and communicate with their team. Another visual representation of task statuses can be seen with the TACTIC Kanban feature. To get to the Kanban view, click the Task Kanban tab located above the list view. Notice that the column names at the top reflect the statuses within your job. These status names are customizable, but in this tutorial, the status names are assignment, pending, in progress, etc. These statuses also have a corresponding status color, which is also customizable. In this case, green means complete. And if we refer to our workflow diagram above, we can see that about a quarter of the job is already finished. To change statuses using the Kanban feature, simply drag a task to the appropriate column. In this case, I'm moving Create 3D Design from In Progress to Review. Notice in the workflow diagram above that the status color changes when the task was moved. This gives a bird's eye view to the overall health of the job and where tasks may be stuck in the workflow. To open a task on the Kanban board, click the paper pen icon located on the top right of the task. As a project manager, I would like to review the notes and assets associated with a task that has been moved to in Review. To do this, go to the Assets tab and navigate to the desired asset. Then, click the Notes link. From here, you can review and add notes. This task window also allows you to cancel the review, push the task back to the previous step, or you can approve the task to go to the next step in the workflow. If you'd like to try TACTIC Kanban or any features you've seen in this video, please contact us through our website for your free trial.